to another video. Today we're going to get into the coveted Gucci tights, but before we do, let me introduce myself. My name is T Stouted. I cover topics on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and if you are a subscriber or you stumbled across my channel, you are a lover of all things that make your heart sing. Hair tips, lifestyle hacks, high fashion, low fashion, and everything in between, because on this channel we love it all, and the best part about it, guys, is there's no judgment. So if this sounds like you, consider hitting that subscribe button down below along with that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And I also wanted to say I am praying that you guys are staying safe out there, washing your hands, practicing social distancing, and all that good stuff. So let's get into it. If you're looking for a way to luxe up your wardrobe without breaking the bank, these Gucci tights are the perfect option because they are one of Gucci's most affordable items. So on the Gucci website, they're described as the Interlocking G tights. I got my first pair from Net-a-Porter, or Net-a-Porter. I don't know how to pronounce it, but they came in this dust bag and they look like this. I'll insert photos and mod shots and all that great stuff. But they look like this. They are probably can't see this, so like I said, I'm gonna insert some photos, but they are a stretched knit fabric, so they're not as fragile as fishnets. I would say they're not that fragile. They are like this stretched knitted material that is very durable. I have worn these all winter long. I have not gotten one snag, one rip, one hole, and when I say I've worn them, I have worn them. They have this elastic waistband, which is perfect because they stay up on my waist without sliding down and, you know, just giving that roll down when you walk in. I hate that. They don't do that. The quality is amazing. I love the black pair so much. I actually picked up another pair, but this time from Gucci, the Gucci website. It came in this box. It had some packaging, ribbons, care instructions, all that great jazz. We don't care about that. We only care about the tights. So they are this cream pair. You probably can't see that, but I'll pop in some photos and mod shots. And the only difference between this pair and the black pair is that the G's are a lot more noticeable. And I'll touch on that in sizing, but with the size that I got in the black pair, the G's don't stand out as much. I'd have to be sitting or stretching my leg for you to really notice them. But with these, the G's really pop. I honestly think out of both of them, these are my favorite pair. The same quality, like I said, the knitted thick fabric. One more point about that, are a lot better from what I hear the Fendi tights are. The Fendi tights are a little thinner and can rip with your first wear, and that's a big no-no with the price that we pay for these. I like these better just because of the color. So I feel like with the color, this can be worn from season to season. So with the black pair, I feel like I can only wear that in fall and winter. With the cream pair, I can actually transition them into early spring outfits, which is a plus because I'll be getting my money's worth. So I've worn these with almost anything. Combat boots, I've dressed it up. I've worn heels with it. This elevates any and every outfit that you wear. On Gucci's website, these tights come in a small, medium, and large. And I picked mine up in the large just because of my height. I wear that size in all of my other tights because I don't like them to stop like mid-thigh. I like to be able to pull them all the way up. With the black ones, I feel like I could have gone down a size, because had I gone down a size, I probably wouldn't have had the issue of me feeling like you really couldn't see the G's and there's not a lot of contrast between my leg and the material. But they work. I mean, and I'm gonna pop in a size chart from Nordstrom, because Nordstrom actually has the sizes based off of height and weight, which is very helpful. And had I seen that when I purchased my first pair, I probably would have gone with the medium, because I think with the large, they're saying the height is would start at about 6 foot, and I'm nowhere near 6 feet. And as far as care instructions, the website advises that you hand wash in cold water. Now it says something about a low iron if you see creases or wrinkles, but I am not putting an iron to a brand name pair of tights. I'm just not going to do it. You're just going to have to see the wrinkles, the creases, and all that. I'm just not going to do it. Now for the part of the video that I know all of you guys came to see, and that is if these tights are really worth the price. Now, I had to ask myself that same question when I went to the checkout, and the price was $85. And they've actually gone up to $100 since I purchased them. But I'd have to say the answer is yes. And hear me out, because the reason I say that is because the amount of money that I would have put into buying a $30 pair of tights or a $20 pair of tights and replacing them would have equaled out to what I would pay or have paid for those 2 pair of tights. You put on one pair, they rip, you have to throw them away. I've worn this for the black pair, I've worn for 2 seasons straight, not one rip, not one hole. And the white pair, I plan on wearing just as much to get my $85 worth. Another reason I'd have to say yes is if you're trying to dip your feet a little bit into the designer pool and kind of introduce a little bit of luxury or designer items into your wardrobe, this is the perfect item without breaking the bank. If after seeing today's video you want to grab a pair of these tights for yourself, I've linked them in the description box down below. And I'm also going to link to another video here for you to check out if you enjoyed today's video. And if you wish to connect with me further, you can head over to my Instagram at @tstyler_, where you can see me style these items and a whole lot more. Thanks for watching.